Welcome back to Nerd Knowledge. Have you ever wished your files magically updated on all your devices? That's where syncing comes in. Gone are the days of relying solely on zip drives. While they have their place for certain tasks, syncing takes file management to a whole new level. Check out the links in the video for specific situations where zip drives might still be useful. First things first, make sure you have Google Drive installed on your PC. If you don't, download it from the official website and sign in with your Google account. If you need help downloading, click the link at the top right of the video. Just install the software, sign in, and you're good to go. Now, let's decide which folders you want to sync. Right-click on the Google Drive icon in your system tray, go to Preferences, and select which folders you want to sync. These files will now be backed up and accessible from anywhere. That's it. Your files are now seamlessly synced between your PC and Google Drive. A cool trick: you can manually sync folders by right-clicking, More Options, and Sync with Google Drive. Whenever you add, edit, or delete files in your synced folders, those changes will reflect across all your devices with Google Drive. And there you have it, syncing your files with Google Drive in just 1 minute. If you found this quick guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nerd Knowledge for more tech tips. Don't miss out, hit that notification bell. This is your nerd, signing off. Happy syncing and keep exploring.